Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 5 and we want to present about agriculture production and practice in Malaysia, and this is our group member. First is Nur Fatina Biha, second is Nur Emiliana Nadira, third is Nur Azawanis, and last one is Lailisma binti M. Nasir.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Lailisma binti M. Nasir and I would like to present about the introduction. So, agricultural production is the process of cultivating crops and raising livestock for the purpose of producing food, fiber and other products. Agricultural production includes these activities like planting, growing, harvesting, and managing agricultural resources. So, agricultural practice means basically a collection of principles to apply for farm production process in order to get a better agricultural products. They are the simply practice used in agriculture to facilitate farming. So, agricultural practice encompass a wide range of activities including crop cultivation, livestock management, soil management, pest and disease control, and irrigation and water management. Next is for the course of agricultural production and practice. Agricultural production and practice are influenced by various factors such as a climate and weather. For example, is the temperature, precipitation, and seasonal variation that affect crop choice and planting times. Secondly is the soil type and quality. The composition and fertility of the soil determine which crops can be grown and what types of fertilizers may be needed. And lastly is the pest and disease management. That is practice for controlling pests and disease affect crop yields. Thank you.
So, this is 3 agriculture production and practice issue we will discuss. The first issue for agricultural production and practice is oil palm price war, which is the special jihad team deal with inflation, want manufacturers and retailers to commit to lowering the price of cooking oil sold when there is a decrease in palm oil. And there is a downward trend in the price of palm oil at a rate of 3,800 per barrel, and this indicates that the price of cooking oil may drop. Some people say that it is unfair that oil price increased because of the recent high oil price. But when oil price go down, the retail price of oil does not decrease. So, the solution for oil palm price war is the Malaysian Palm Oil Board, as known MPOB, is responsible for holding an engagement session with 22 operating oil producers to review the mechanism for lowering retail cooking oil price in the market. The second solution is promote alternative oil, which is encourage the production and consumption of oil from alternative sources such as sunflower, soybean, and canola. Diversity the sources of edible oils can reduce the pressure on palm oil industry.
Next is rising rice price and increased demand for imported white rice in Malaysia. The price of imported white rice has been increasing, which can affect the affordability of rice for consumers in Malaysia. Malaysia heavily relies on imported to meet its demand for white rice, making it vulnerable to fluctuation in global rice price. Local rice production face challenges such as limited land availability, lower productivity, and the need for modernization in rice farming practice. The level of self-sufficiency (SSL) of the country rice supply, which is currently at 62%, is concerning as it is vulnerable to supply disruption in the event of a thaw that may affect imported rice supply. For solution, Bernas has adjusted the selling price of imported white rice nationwide from RM2,350 per metric ton to RM3,200 per metric ton, in line with the current international market price for white rice. The government is requesting rice producers in the northern zone to increase their production by 20% and supply it to the government through Bernas.
Shortage of agriculture labor.
This is because 1.7 million foraging workers are recorded working in the country in various sectors, dropped to 1.2 million after many returned to their country of origin following the spread of the COVID-19 epidemic. Minister of Human Resources, Datuk Sri M. Saravan, say the minister, however, will prioritize hiring local workers over foraging workers, but forced to hire foraging workers because local people choose work. Solution is improve wage and working condition. Offering competitive wage, benefit, and better working condition can attract more local labor to the agriculture sector. For example, ensuring worker health and safety. Better working condition, including appropriate safety measure and equipment, are essential to being well of agricultural worker. It can reduce the risk of injury and health issue. Besides, when employees are paid fairly and receive benefits such as healthcare and retirement plans, they are more likely to stay with their currently employer. Okay, support guest worker program. Advocate for government policy that enable the control and hire of foraging agriculture worker to fill labor gaps. This is because the guest worker program provides a legal and control channel for foraging workers to enter and work in the country. This can help reduce reliance on undocumented or illegal labor, which benefit both worker and employer.